Welcome back again, everybody, to Graphic World. And as you can see, we're going to make a cool animation that you can use in your intros, or you can use it as a company profile or a slideshow. It's really up to you. So let's start. I have this footage, which I took it from Video Hive, and it's copyrighted, so it's low resolution. And my comp is a full HD 30 frame rate with 30-second. Now I need to have a white solid first. Okay, see, okay, so here we have a white solid, and we can name it background. Next, I will go to object to create that triangle, and that triangle you can create it easily by polygon tool. So you have this polygon tool, then you can go to the options of this polygon, so you can go to the path of it, and here we have the points. So let's go into 3, as you can see. Now you make sure that you go to transform center anchor point. Okay, now it really doesn't matter what the color you're going to use, so that's okay. Now I'm going to drop that animation, but before that let's create that animation. So I'm gonna go right click, center point, transform, and flip vertically. Let's activate the snapping here, Control D, and then we have another object here. Bring it like so. Okay, then I'm going to bring another one here, just transform, flip vertically. Like so here. I'm not sure if it's 100%. Okay, now duplicate it and bring the other one here. Okay, now for this one, transform, flip vertical again. Okay, yeah, let's bring it, disable the snapping, bring it to the center here. Okay, now I'm going to flip it all. Now you can select all those layers and just flip it vertically, and it will not work sometime. And what you can do is you can bring a null object, this is my way, and attach the null. You go transform and flip vertically, and now you can delete that null right over there. Okay. Okay. Now let's bring that video on the top, just to see where we're going to put it. So I will say that here's where it's going to be. You know what, I'm going to make sure that it's in the center. Now we'll put it underneath first. and also I'm going to make sure that those are in the center. Okay. So selection, composition. Okay. Let's make that center right over here is the father of all those. So let's just get it. And let's bring that to the center. And I'm gonna go transform anchor point to the center. Oh, we did mistake. Sorry. None, none, none. So where is that point that we need? I guess it's the top here. So I'm going to link those to number 2, and then number 2 is going to be at the center. Okay. Composition. As you can see, it's in the center. So let's now disable the link, bring all 4 triangle and put it right over here. Okay. Now this is the background. It's the first, second, third, the fourth. I'm going to put this one. I'm going to duplicate it, put it underneath this, duplicate it underneath shape layer, duplicate it underneath this triangle. Now let's create the animation for the triangle, and for that, right now, I'm going to hide the videos which we don't need right over here. Okay, let's see what are we going to create now. Oh. Okay. I use 2 screens, but right now I'm using 1 screen because for this tutorial. Anyway, let's create animation. Let's go position, create a key, shift, page up, create a new keys right over here, then go to the beginning here and just bring, no, not this one, sorry, this at the top, this one, bring it to the left, this one to the left also, this one to the bottom. Now if you press space, okay, this is the animation. Now it's not interesting animation until now. Let's copy it, press F9, go to curve editor and make all this animation like so, the tangent. Long here, and you can give it a space for the video for starting, like so. Cool. Press U. Now let's bring back the videos. Now I'm going to attach this video to this one to this triangle, and this video to number 3 triangle, and this video to number 1 triangle. Okay, that's good. Now we need to make a matte, so I will go to the first video and create an alpha inverted. Next, alpha inverted, alpha inverted, and alpha inverted. Okay, seems to be, it's not alpha inverted, alpha matte. Sorry for this error. Alpha matte. Now this is the animation. Okay, and the video is still working. Okay, now in order to make the video move, I'm going to bring a null. I'm going to attach all the videos, only the videos, to the null. So you make sure that you select the videos, you go to the null. And we can set a position before the videos start, and then just bring the videos before, make sure that it's not finishing. I prefer linear keys for this movement. Okay, pretty nice. What you can do also is you see that shape layer, you can duplicate another one here and bring it of course to the eye and play with some color right here. So let's say we want some color for this company, so I need this one also. Duplicate it, and let's go to some color, something like, let me check here. Cool, like so. And let's play with the blending mode right now. And for that one, just this one here, I think. Yeah. This one. Let's bring. Yeah, like so. Add. Now this is what we have. Really cool, huh? Okay. Now something else that I would like to do is I would like to create a rectangle that is going to represent that. So let's save, and let's make sure that we're saving this. So I will go back, save that, name it as transition. No, just make sure that you're saving. Okay, and now also I'm going to create, show you. So I'm going to bring another, I'm going to use the rectangle. Use this one, this one, this one, and this one. duplicate it and put it at that top. Bring the eyes, remove the fill, go to stroke, and make some. Okay, bring the background, display. So now something that you could do now, because those are not only a stroke, what you can do is you can offset that. So let's see if we can offset that. So yeah, really cool, huh? Okay, now let's bring that background here. I'm going to pre-comp all those. Make sure that you pre-comp. Pre-comp. Shift C. And now let's do the movement. Bring the position right over here. Just go right over here. See? So we add a position right here. Let's press Control. Okay. Now let's duplicate this layer right over here, and let's scale it, and then I'm going to give it a tint. T here. Okay, that's good. Now for the background, I'm going to add gradient ramp. Gradient ramp. For the upper, I'm going to use fairly blue, and down is going to be white. You can use it as a radial. Playing a bit with this. I'm going to use another background here. I'm going to remove the position. Then I'm going to scale it. Let's put it full. And let's play with opacity. Like so. So this is how the animation right now. Let's see. Let's go to quarter. Because I'm rendering right now, so my PC is dying. Cool. Now let's bring a text. So I have two text right over here, only normal text, which is the lorem ipsum. Let's do some animation. And what I want to do is I want to bring a box. I don't need a stroke, just layer. Put it underneath the lorem. And I want to cut this, and I can create it by matte, but I'm going to show you another way. While you're selecting the shape layer, you go to the pen tool and you draw a shape like so. Then you open the shape layer and you grab the content. You go right to merge paths, open merge paths, and go to subtract. Now we need to invert this, so I will grab this rectangle and put it at the top right over here, and this is what we have. Now also what we want to do is we want to put this shape between. So we're going to create this animation. I want to scale this. So let's go to scale, rectangle, the size. Full. It's going to be 0. Make interesting animation. Bring this. Okay. It's like growing. Let's bring a one down over. Grab another one here. And put it right over here. Now we need another shape right over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this, and let's go to the rectangle here, that one. I'm going to duplicate it, go to the shape 2 here, this one, shape 2, put it right here. And now you can like so here. Let's see now. Yeah, but I want this second here to happen late a little bit, so bring it back. Yeah, like so. Now for this lorem ipsum, first I'm going to attach this piece to this piece right here. So let's attach it and attach this piece to, I think, to the other piece right over here. Now it will follow. Okay, it's okay. No worry. Because now we want to move it. So I'll go to position. Just throw it outside like so. So it will add some movement to the animation. Something like this. And also the text will move. Add a T. We could animate the text, but I just prefer this simple. Okay. But now we don't want the animation to stop, so it will continue the dynamic. In order to make this, I'm going to bring a null, going to attach all this to the null here, all the layer, bring a position until it's been read like 10 seconds. This animation will goes like so. Okay. Something else you could do. Let's do it as full. Give it a color here. This one I'm going to add light sweep. And for the other, just bring to the other side. I also want to change the color, so it's going to be because I want to use it darker, but for the text it won't be visible, so I will keep it the same. now we having this line right over here. Oh, okay. I really don't like that text right over here. So what we want to do, go to content again here. Seems to be I can't select the edges. Yeah, like so. Yeah, way much better to put it right over here. I'm thinking also to change color maybe. I'll keep it so. Bring at the top right here, and this lorem, I'm going to scale it. Yeah. Like so. Now what I do is we want to add lines. Move the fill. Just add a stroke. Add another line here. can then do animation by going to trim paths, start by 0, to 100, start, can go like 10 frame, 0 here, start with the end, and then make sure this is 0. Quarter. Trim path, bring it to that shape layer, like so. Okay, thank you for watching. This is the end of our tutorial. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel so I can upload new tutorials for this animation. Thanks for watching, and see you later.